Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nicole. This is my daughter Emily, and we have my new baby girl Aria that is sleeping over there. And I thought today we should do a video not really mom, baby, beauty, like lifestyle related. Okay, well this actually might be lifestyle related. So I thought today's video would be a really good one because it's the beginning of the year. People are setting new goals, and you probably already know what it is by the title of this video, but it is on how to save money.
But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. What I really want to see is money. I don't really need a D, I need the money.
This is 5 tips that I have tried, I've done, I've proven that it works. I'm not talking out of my ass, you guys. You can save your money so quickly. So I wouldn't want to say easily because you gotta work to earn the money, but trust me, it works. Number 1 is have a goal. You have to have a goal. You can't just be like, I just want to save money this year. You need to give yourself a number, and you need to strive for that number. Say you're trying to save 1,000. Say you're trying to save 10,000 or even 5,000, okay? You need to know what your goal is, and you need to like constantly think that's the goal. And if you don't have a goal, if it's just I just want to save money, then you really don't have something you're aiming towards. So yeah, make sure you set a goal. Blah, 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 blah. Shh, shh. Make sure you set a goal for yourself, or you and your partner, whatever your situation is, and like remember it, think about it, like think of it all the time. Just set your goal. Okay, I had to get rid of one. So tip number 2 is create a baseline. So you're gonna have to spend money. That's how life is. You have to spend money. You have to pay bills. You have to buy food. You might have kids. Like maybe you want to go out one day. You're gonna have to spend money, but you need to create a baseline for yourself, and that is something your account cannot drop from. So what I would do is don't touch your savings account. Never transfer from savings. You don't want to do that. Don't put so much away that you have to pull out. You have to learn like how much you can do. But you need to set a goal, like you need to set a baseline of your checking account, and your money cannot fall below that. You want enough in checking that you don't have to worry about pulling from savings to pay any of your bills. There's enough in checking to pay your bills and to go out, spend whatever you need to do. You want to create that number. Find out that number. Say your bills are around $1,000 a month. That I'm just throwing a number out there. Maybe your baseline should be $2,000 in checking minimum. Nothing less than $2,000. That way you always have money you can spend, but you also have the money to pay your bills. So if you spend so much you can't pay your bills, then you know you need to readjust because you had to pull from savings just to pay your bills. Another, and also you could look at it like, if you need a new refrigerator, wouldn't it be nice to have enough in checkings that you don't have to worry about pulling from savings because you gotta buy a new fridge? Like that's what you want to think. You want to think anything that comes up, you have money put away that's not savings. So that's what I mean by a baseline. I hope that makes sense. Number 3 is save per paycheck, not monthly. A lot of people think, oh, I'm gonna put $200 away every month. I'm gonna put $300 away every month. Don't think that way. Put your money away every paycheck you get. Right when you get paid, go ahead and already transfer an amount into your savings account. That way you don't have to, it doesn't have to be $200 a month. It doesn't have to be $300 a month. It doesn't have to be $50 a month. Just like if you got a really big check, the way I do it is like a normal size paycheck, and then like, okay, so say you have your regular check, and then the check you got has overtime on it or something, anything over the average amount that you would normally get, throw all of that into savings, because you already know how to budget for your regular pay. So that's what I mean by per paycheck, not by month, because if you're putting away money every check, and the number can differentiate because you got more on this check or you got less on this check. Maybe it's the third check of the month, so there's no insurance getting taken out, and then you just have a lot more. That, like, you can put away way more money than if you designated only $200 a month, because then you'd only transfer $200 at the end of the month, and then you would have had a bunch extra that you spent because you got more for some reason. So that's what I mean by saving per paycheck, not per month. And then number 4 is to put money, like save money before you pay your bills. What the fuck? I know a lot of, like, I know your mind thinks bills first, but here's the thing. But if you can save your money, because you're going to be saving per paycheck, not per month, save your money. And then, like I said, what's left over in checking, manage that amount of money and then pay your bills. And whatever is left after your bills, that's what you can spend. So if you put money into savings and then you have $1,000 left in your checkings, your bills for the month is $600. You have enough in checking to pay those bills even after you already saved a bunch of money. So, you know, you paid $600 towards your bills, there's $400. Make it work. You know what I mean? Like, if you're really serious and you're trying to reach that goal you set, you can make it work. And then number 5, the last tip is find what you spend the most money on and adjust. What I mean by that is, just think, where does all your money go? Does most of your money go to buying food, like going out to eat? Does most of it go to shopping, makeup, whatever it is? Figure that out and just stop. If you go out to eat almost every day, change it to going out to eat on the weekends. Calculate, okay, if you calculate how much it costs you every time you go out to eat, say it's about $30 every time you go out to eat. You go out to eat 5 days a week. Why don't you cut that into 2 days a week, and then that's $90 that you could transfer into savings instead, and that will get you towards your goal so much quicker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it helps you. I promise, if you just follow the steps I told you, it'll work. I do it every year. Me and my husband make a goal, and you know, we've been pretty successful with it. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. The button's down below, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.